In this video, I'm about to give you 3 tips on how to use negative people to your benefit, alright? First, you gotta understand that a person that does the least always saying the most. So use them as free promo. We all know this. Let them talk, get that free promo to bring attention to whatever you're creating, because we all know that word of mouth is still the most powerful form of marketing in the world. So let them bring that attention to what you're doing for the free. Second, start viewing them as confused admirers, man, that don't know how to express their love for you, and they can only do it in ways that they're familiar with, which might come out in the form of being hateful or negative. Because a person that didn't look up to you or felt like they wasn't positioned under you wouldn't reach up to pull you down. And any person that kicks you down, that thought they was above you, wouldn't do it unless they felt like you was a threat to their position. So start viewing them as confused admirers. Third, use it to self-reflect. If anything negative affects you, because can't nobody make you feel away without your permission, that means something in you identified with what they said as some form of truth. So use it as a way to strengthen your own beliefs about yourself, because you only as strong as your weakest link.